Hello French food lovers, today we're gonna do
Mahi tartar.
Okay. Hello French food lovers, I'm Chef Jérôme
Hello, I'm Chef Valentin.
and in this channel we'll show you how to do
Easy French style cooking.
For 2 servings, you first want to dice 1 tomato, one mango, chop 200 grams of Mahi filet, three small shallots, crush 1 garlic clove, squeeze 2 lime juices, add 2 tablespoons of basil oil, and finally 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Okay, Mr. Valentin, I'm going to show you how to do the plate. So first you take the ring and you place it here. Then you take your tartar. Be careful not to take too much liquid. And then you put your fish. Inside, all the way to the top. Okay?
Yes.
And then you press a little bit. You do the same.
Okay.
Now we're gonna put the French fries. You look. So don't worry, you can have more later, but now it's just for the plate to look good. So you put like 4 like this, and then 4 the other way. And then you take 4 more,
Wow.
or 3 more, or 2 more, and then 2 on top. 1 on top. Okay? You can do that?
Yeah.
Okay, you try. And 1 on the very top. Perfect. Okay, you put the French fries on the side. This one as well. And now we're gonna take some mayonnaise and we're gonna make some thing that will look nice. Look, I put like this and then I make like this. Okay? You make the same for you. You have to take off the ring first. And then you put a little bit basil. Very nice. Okay, let's try it. Mmm. Very good. What about the French fries? Pretty good as well, huh? Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you liked it, don't hesitate to
Hit the bell and like.
and you can also subscribe. Bye bye, see you next time.